I wonder if this leads the tour. Oh, it's in! It's in!
Yeah!
Yeah!
All right, come on, follow me, guys. So, guys, we just survived the water crossing. All right, Jim, this one is called the frame bender. And just creep forward. Oh, yeah, both sides off the ground. Nice, man, good job. This one is pretty awesome. We call this one the extreme hill. Turn it a little bit left toward me. Stop. Crank it sharp left, and we want to creep down toward me. Creep it. Come on. And one more. One more like that, and stop. No, I'm just kidding. So this is where we sit up here at a 25-degree side angle.
Totally stable, man.
That is absolutely wild.
All right, amazing.
Right, Fitz, looks like we have a little chipping challenge here. Because we were driving the BMW X5, we'll have 5 goes each, and whoever gets the most wins.
Perfect. Let's give it a go. Go. Oh, it's world's softest green. I mean, that's just typical. I knew you were going to hole it in practice. Oh,
Yes.
I knew you were going to do that.
1-0.
Practice, you missed every one.
1-0.
Everyone was short. This is daylight robbery.
I need to win this one.
Oh, yes. Oh, no. Oh, yes.
Oh.
Oh, go. That's it.
Oh.
It's got a weird second bounce. That's huge. Spin. Oh.
Nice shot.
Oh.
Oh. This.
Oh, what a bounce.
Landed short. We got what we needed in the hole.
I wonder if this leads the tour. Oh, it's in. It's in.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Is that like,
Yeah.
that like
That's
game
it.
over?
Cut. Done.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're out. We're out. Tell me someone got that. Yeah. Well done, Shane. That was an easy win with a hole in one. Can't beat that.
Hard luck, Fitz.
Cheers, pal.